you guys? Welcome back to another video. I am doing another unboxing. I bought some stuff from the Ragged Priest, which I've never bought stuff from the Ragged Priest before, so I'm excited. I bought lots of things. I'm gonna try them on. You know how it goes. I don't know, I'm excited. It came from FedEx. It's got this little sticker on it that says, I hope your day sucks a little less now. It does. I'm just gonna pull out and then unwrap. This is definitely a pair of pants. Oh, they're the freaking, I got some of the, which I could have definitely made these, but they have like the Ragged Priest thing. I remember seeing this little tag on Tumblr all the time in like, I don't know, like 2015 or something. But it's the little butthole pants. Butthole pants. It's got the hole right at the butt. I remember seeing a lot of people wearing these and I wanted them really bad, but I didn't really have money, so I was never able to get what I wanted. But I have these now, which I'm excited to try on. Pulling out the bag again. This is red. I think this is a shirt or something. Oh, it's a dress! It says little, oh, Milk It! It says Milk It on it. That's kind of really cute tag. But it's got like this little slit in it right here. This little slit in it right here. But this is this cute little dress. I've decided that red is the best color that looks good on me. Because I wear like all black all the time. It's very rare that I wear like pink or purple or blue. But out of all the colors, I think red looks the best on me. So I've been trying to add a little bit more red things because I only own like 2 red things. But now I own 3 red things. What's next? This is a skirt, but it has like, it's like this deep purple, like cheetah print or leopard print. I can't tell the difference between the two. And then it's got these little ties and you just kind of like zigzag them, I'm pretty sure. This is so cute. I do not remember buying this, but it is like kind of great. I don't really wear long fitted skirts, so hopefully this will look cute. Opening it up, opening it up in it. This is cute. This is simple. It's just a long dress, but it's got the zipper all the way down. And it's kind of like a stretchy, but a corduroy type material. I don't know. See, it's got all like the rigids in it and stuff like corduroy does. I love clothes. I had to buy more hangers because I ran out of freaking hangers in my closet. All my clothes were just sitting in the floor. They were all just piled up in the floor because I didn't have enough hangers to hang the clothes. There's another pair of pants. These are ugly cute. Look. They're like that patchwork pant that was like really popular right now, but it's just stripes, which I haven't really seen. I've seen like the big blocky ones, but never the stripe. And these are high quality. Okay, but oh, I got this just in case I want to do like a little denim moment, which I never want to do, so I don't know why I got this. I don't know, but it's like this little patchwork like denim little dress. I figured I could like wear like my corset with it and like maybe like a little turtleneck or something under it. Yeah, I don't know. This smells like cleaning supplies. But you know, in case I want to do like a little like a early 2000s like denim on denim. See, it's denim on denim on denim. Is that it? Oh, there's one more thing. Man, I wish they sent me stickers. This matches the little skirt I got. This matches the little skirt I got. Isn't that so cute? But it was my first time shopping on the Ragged Priest. A lot of their stuff was sold out. I wanted to shop on the Ragged Priest for a really long time, so I just got the things that I thought were cute and like were in stock. But there was like a lot of other things that I like would have preferred to have gotten. This is so cute. This is so cute. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me. Leave a comment down below which item was your favorite. My favorite is the little purple little set thing that I got. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post something. I give you a kiss. I leave you now. Bye.